Crude oil today had breached the critical support levels at 72.8 but failing to sustain. We have seen an immediate recovery here from 72.7 levels here, while natural gas has also recovered, hitting the lows at 33.06 levels. Now, this is very, very important today. The inventory data might bring the volatility here in the crude oil prices, thus, you should be trading with caution. Now, what to expect, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading crude oil and net gas today, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into crude, followed with net gas. What's happening on the hourly charts here for crude oil? See a flat top here means a greater resistance here, and that is what we have discussed, that 73.874 is going to be the prime resistance here. Now it is struggling at the same zone, and thus if you see it is staying above 73.870, that is a point of time you can say now the bulls are taking over, and we can look forward to a further ride here on the upside. Remember, trading above 74, we can in fact expect it to move towards 75 this time, but I can see a greater struggle here at this zone. This is something you should watch out for. Stochastic is oversold here. MACD after a retracement again crossed over for itself, trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI is also hit the bottom, trying to bounce back on the upside here. Coming to 2 hour charts, when you look at the 2 hour charts, see a flat top is seen, and now look at the formation: drop, retracement, flat top, then a drop, and it is retracing. So now it is getting it difficult for oil to break beyond 73.874 zone. That is the only zone above which you can say that the bulls will be active, and then you can look forward to a ride from there towards 74.575 zone. Else it is still struggling on the upside. The bulls are absent here in crude oil, it appears. The stochastic at bottom, the MACD again crossing over for a sell. It is just convergent here. I will wait for this candle where it closes. RSI rising, signs are little supportive for further retracement here. Coming to 3 hour. Now on the 3 hour chart, see the power of moving averages. Look at the formation here. Since this drop, every time it is dropped here, it has moved towards 20 period, and this time again it has moved towards 20 period, now trying to take a dip here. Now see, even after the dip, you can say that the bottom is almost intact, the lows are almost intact. See the closing of these four candles, this suggests that it has formed a very strong base now at 72.8 levels. 72.8, 72.4 are the two levels which it needs to break on the downside in order to crash more. Now see what has happened after this single straight line drop, it is retraced and now is struggling to break here on the upside. Thus it is very important for oil to break beyond 73.874 in order to confirm reversal. Stochastic has dropped here, the MACD already at bottom, trying to diverge here. RSI almost running flat. On the 4 hour charts, see similar observation what we had seen on the 3 hour charts. Every time 20 period moving average has proven out to be greater resistance. You should watch my educational video. Here there is a playlist in my channel where you will find the educational video where I have discussed the topic related to EM, and this is a classic example on how the moving averages can play here, and see what a stronger role 20 period moving average playing here. So now we have to wait for it to break beyond this. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking down. The MACD is already at bottom, trading with very minimal divergence. The RSI is flat here. Coming to the on the daily chart, similar observations. See 50 period moving average, and see we have seen a good round of drop, and this is coming after a good round of rise here. This is a retracement, and now it is very critical for oil to break below 72 in order to confirm further bearishness here. So today is going to be one such important day, because see, so far for the day we have seen a good consolidation, and yesterday's candle could become the reversal candle. It has already seen the lows, it can bounce back from here. So now we have to wait for 73.874 zone to be taken, and then also you have to wait for 74.5 and 75. Only and only if oil trades above 75, we can say that the bulls are back. You can expect 75.5, 76, and 77.2, and beyond that, anyways, the sky is the limit. Right now the momentum in oil is not supportive of such a stronger bullishness here. Thus on the upside, I will recommend till 75. Anyways, first of all, we have to wait whether it moves it there or not, and yes, if it moves, you have to wait and watch how it behaves till 75, because only above 75 is where the bullishness is to be seen, else it is still not to be treated bullish. On the downside, now 72.8 is the level below which you can take a selling entry. If you see now oil trading below 72.8, now when I say 72.8, the higher price has to be below 72.8, and then we can expect further bearishness. Now before we proceed to the levels, see the stochastic here is oversold. It is trying to recover, and this can become a reversal sign. Yesterday's candle could become a reversal sign. However, look at the MACD, it is trading with divergence looking downwards, and it suggests more bearishness ahead. RSI has dropped as well. So now On the sell side, and before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, on the upside, I have already mentioned you have to watch out buying entry at 73.874 and the critical level 74.575, and then you can see the bulls to be back. You can expect a rally beyond 75 till 75.576. Be cautious, and after that a rise is to be seen. But right now the stance is pretty much bearish, and thus if you see oil trading below 72.8, you can take a selling entry. Remember, 72.8 means the higher price has to be below 72.8, and then you can expect 72.5, 72.4 first target, 72 the second. Below 72 is where you can expect more bearishness towards 71.5, 71.1, then 70.6, 70, and 69.4. Chances for which, as far as my opinion is concerned, appears to be less, but yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural. Natural gas today is showing signs of recovery after hitting the lows here, and now it is showing a little recovery here. Now it is very important to watch out whether first it hits at 3.16, and if it hits 3.16, it break beyond 3.2, 3.22 zone, because if it breaks beyond this, you can expect the next strongest one, which I am looking at, is at 3.25. And only if you see natural gas trading above 3.25, you can see that this is a reversal. What is happening here after the drop? Rise, retracement, rise again. This is the first and breakout candle. I expect second and third bullish candles to be here from these levels. And see, on the upside the resistances are pretty strong, and thus you should be trading with caution. The moving averages right now so far trading with extreme bearishness, but when you look at the formation here in net gas, after the drop, consolidation, then a bounce back. After the drop, it can try to bounce back a little, and if it has to trade, even if it is to trade bearish, it can keep moving towards 3.2, 3.4 zone, which should be a greater resistance zone on the upside. Stochastic is rising here on the early charts. The MACD is also crossed over at the bottom, trading with little bullishness, looking upwards. The RSI is rising as well. On the 2 hour charts, when you look at the 2 hour charts, bit of consolidation and this breakout, it is waiting for it to hit the 20 period moving average. Yes, the prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. Thus, very important for it to now trade beyond 3.16 and 3.2 zone, and only if natural gas trades beyond this two, you can say that the bulls are back, and we can look forward to a recovery from those levels. Specifically beyond 3.26 is where the bulls are waiting. Stochastic rising. MACD, after hitting the bottom, it is trying to bounce back. It is trading with divergence. It appears more bullishness may prevail here. The RSI is rising out of the oversold zone. Coming to 3 hour charts, similar observation here on the 3 hour chart. See, after forming a base, it is itching hard to move towards the 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around close to 3.2 levels. Now these levels are definitely greater resistances. Look at the divergence of the moving averages. Strong divergence is observed, and the prices are also trading with divergence from the moving average. So possibly from here we may see a little retracement where the prices can in fact move towards 3.4. Stochastic rising. MACD has hit a bottom. It is crossing over here. This can lead to a reversal. RSI coming out of the oversold zone, now looking upwards. On the 4 hour chart, similar. Now notice here, after series of bearish candle, it has formed a base, and with that is base, it is trying to recover. It is trying to form a stronger building here. This could be the first bullish candle, and then the forthcoming candles might take the prices towards 3.25 levels. 3.2, 3.25 is going to be the first and most critical resistance here, because beyond this we can expect it to move towards 3.3 to 3.4 zone. Stochastic rising here from the bottom. MACD has hit a bottom, trying to recover. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. Yes, on the 4 hour charts, it is stayed oversold, and it is now looking forward to a recovery. This recovery can be stronger enough. Tomorrow, the natural gas storage data can bring wonders here in gas prices. Though right now the stance is pretty much bearish. You can see this. It was trading in this bullish channel here. It has come out of this channel. This is a long-term channel in which it was trading, and breaching this, now it is looking downwards. Though we have seen series of bearish candles, drop, retracement, drop, it could retrace towards where at max 3.4, and a break beyond 3.4 is a sign of reversal here. Stochastic oversold. MACD extremely bearish. RSI has dropped sharp. So consider first point where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 3.1516 levels. Expect a move towards 3.185, 3.205, and 3.25 levels. 3.2526 if natural gas breaches any point of time today, tomorrow, you can just stay bullish from there. Expect 3.3 to 3.4 zone as the next targets. But I will say you have to exercise a bit of caution here. I can say that the bullishness is missing, and this is after, because three things are getting oversold and it is posting a recovery. Tomorrow, the storage data is going to be the decision maker for deciding the direction of natural gas for the next few weeks. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 3.08 levels, where you can expect it to move towards 3.05, 3.02, and if these two levels are taken, 3.0502, you can expect 2.98, 2.94 zone. Now these are the most critical support on the downside, 2.9894, and any point of time if net gas breaches this, you can look forward to a greater down move towards 2.8, 2.75 zone, chances for which appears to be less, at least today. But yes, these are markets, you should be trading with caution. Like, share, subscribe and comment, join my mentorship batch, join my Seedless channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.